So this is the trade log of Jamie from last week. So last week was our, well, we thought it would be a snapback week, right? Because we were overextended from the higher time frames. We had this very strong yen weakness, overextended on the daily and the weekly charts, and we thought, oh, we might get a snapback with some yen strength coming in. Well, it didn't happen, right? So that we had these two scenarios, higher time frame analysis scenarios. One is a snapback, so opportunities on the short side, trading yen long, and the other scenario was that it might be a very lame week, that price wander around at more or less the same level, and that's what happened, right? So we had a week of transition, as Jamie writes here. We didn't get our snapback. We had a snapback a couple of weeks back, right, as you might remember. There was 1 week where we had a pyramid week, and then the following week was a snapback week, so that was nice. We could trade that in both directions. Okay, and it just reinforces how profound yen weakness is and makes it more probable, a second leg higher up. That's what we are waiting for this week, right? Or it might be next week. But we have two 40-minute patterns. We have consolidations on two 40-minute charts. That nice patterns that are forming. Okay, not much trading this week, and that's a good idea, right? If it's a week of transition. Now, okay, there's a 1 minute chart, a 1 minute trade. Okay, what's that? It's an S1, S2 and a 1. I think that's an S1. I don't fully get it. And anyway, let's just move on. S2 15 short, trading Australian dollar strength. S2, I can see the S2. Okay, well, that's an oval sideways, right? Oval sideways, the momentum, this is the pattern. The momentum move didn't break to a new low, so this is oval sideways. This is oval sideways. We might get a spike, so price gets now attracted to the magnets, the 200 magnet, and it looks like this chart is developing some momentum. I don't know if you can see that, right? So there's some acceleration, slight acceleration here on the downside towards the 200. So the story that is told here that we're getting a spike, right? Spike, exhaustion, and then pullback. Now let's see. Well, this is there was another S2 forming right after entry, right? Yeah, we got a touch, right? Touch of 200. That's what he traded and stopped very tight, and he got out. We could get a spike as well, so well done. Pound US 1 minute long. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Let's just see some. Let's have a look at this one. It's an interesting one, CAD yen. So it's we're trading here yen strength, right, on a 5 minute S2 short. So why is it interesting? Well, that's an S2, right? So what happens here is, why is there a short bias? Well, there's a short bias. Price has been playing around with the 200, touch from above, touch from below. Well, another touch from below, testing the 200, getting rejected, right? So this is basically what we see here. That's the start of the momentum move, and that's a rejection of the 200. That plots our momentum move, right? Momentum move, consolidation. Now this looks terrific, right? This is the TC3 chart. That has elements of an S1, by the way, as well, right? S1. Well, this has huge potential on the downside. So this is how free fall territory looks like, right? Free fall towards the 200. There's no resistance in the way. It can go down to the 200. We are overextended. Currently it's sitting on 8. Well, 8 is not a strong resistance. It's sitting here. If 8 hands in, then the next target becomes a 200, a 200, and 200, right? So a 21, and then the 200s. Way overextended here. So that there's bearish bias, right? And this is what he trades here, and pretty nice, our winner, and we are still, well, there's still a long way to go, right? At least to the 21 here. Here's a Euro Swiss short, so Swiss strength S2 on a 5-minute. So this is a 5-minute pattern embedded in an S1. So it's an S1 plus an S2, both come together. He's choosing the stop for the S2, right? So a tighter stop. So oval sideways, we're basically oval sideways. So what we see here, it doesn't go off immediately. It actually wants to come back and test the 200. Well, 200 acts as stop protection, right? We can nicely see the stop is up here. 200 comes further down. It gets tested. We don't get stopped out, right? Now price comes down. A stop is moved. Taking partial profit. Stop is moved behind the flat, or even lower here, because I think 3R is achieved, and then stop out at a slight winner. Yeah, well, there's more potential, right? If it leaves the oval sideways, so that's a break even. Okay, break even trade. Well, it came further up, and then moved once he was stopped out. So trading is frustration management. That can always happen, right? Okay, good. Well, that was the result of transition week. As you can see, for that week, he more focused on the lower time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, like the lower time. I think there's 15 minute was there too. He only traded Forex, and that's good. The next weeks, we were looking for a second leg higher with a yen weakness, and that's where the big R's are to be sought. Thank you.